Welcome to the channel. Eliminating sugar from your diet? Tough. But what if I told you there are natural ways to fight back? We're not talking about deprivation here, but about using the power of nature to regain control over your cravings. In this video, I'm going to share 10 herbal remedies that can help curb those sugar cravings and make your journey towards a healthier lifestyle a whole lot easier. First up, we have gymnema sylvestre. And this one's got a powerful nickname, the sugar destroyer. Gymnema sylvestre actually blocks the taste of sweetness on your tongue. Imagine that! Sugary foods become less appealing because you can't even taste the sweetness. It's like taking away sugar's superpower. You can find gymnema sylvestre in different forms like teas, tinctures, or capsules. My suggestion? Take it before your meals, especially if you know you're about to face a tempting dessert. Next, we have a spice rack staple cinnamon. Cinnamon helps regulate your blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, that's when you get those intense sugar cravings. Sprinkle some cinnamon on your oatmeal, in your smoothies, or even in your coffee for a warm, comforting flavor. It's easy to incorporate into your diet. Now, this one might sound a little strange, but trust me on this. Licorice root. It has this naturally sweet flavor that can actually satisfy your sweet cravings without sending your blood sugar through the roof. You can chew on small pieces of the root itself, or you can try it as a tea. Just be mindful of how much you consume, as excessive licorice root consumption can have some side effects. Fenugreek seeds are like tiny powerhouses when it comes to managing sugar cravings. They help stabilize your blood sugar levels and prevent those dramatic spikes and crashes that leave you craving something sweet. One of the easiest ways to incorporate fenugreek into your routine is to soak the seeds in water overnight. Then, in the morning, you can drink the water or add it to smoothies. Let's talk about fennel, specifically fennel seeds. These little guys are slightly sweet and can help satisfy those sugar cravings while also giving your digestion a helping hand. Chewing on a few fennel seeds after meals can help freshen your breath and aid digestion, all while keeping those sugar cravings at bay. We're all about balance here, right? Well, holy basil is here to help balance your blood sugar levels and reduce stress. You can find holy basil in tea form, tinctures, or even capsules. Now we have chromium picolinate, the insulin superhero. Chromium picolinate isn't an herb, but it's a mineral that plays a key role in curbing those sugar cravings. It helps your body use insulin more effectively. When your cells become resistant to insulin, you crave more sugar to compensate. Chromium picolinate steps in to improve your insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to use glucose efficiently. Let's talk about stevia. Stevia comes from the stevia plant, and it's incredibly sweet, much sweeter than sugar, in fact. But here's the best part. It doesn't raise your blood sugar levels. You can find stevia in various forms like liquid drops, powders, or even in some sugar-free foods and drinks. Next is peppermint. This refreshing herb can actually help curb cravings by providing a clean, invigorating taste that can distract you from those sugar desires. So, next time you're hit with a sugar craving, try sipping on some peppermint tea or even chewing on a few fresh peppermint leaves. Okay, I know the name might not sound too appetizing, but hear me out on this one bitter melon. Bitter melon contains compounds that act like natural insulin, helping your body process glucose more effectively. This can help prevent those blood sugar spikes and crashes that often trigger sugar cravings. You can find bitter melon in various forms, including juice, tea, or even capsules. So, there you have it. 10 incredible natural herbs that can help you win the battle against sugar cravings. Remember, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor or a registered dietitian before adding any new supplements to your routine. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.